Hey guys, you afraid of losing more money in the stock market? The stock market is down today, so I want to create a defensive strategy to share with you guys on what I do as an advisor. If you put your money in the bank, we know that money is safe in the bank. However, you have low yields, but people like it because it's safe. We put money in the stock market for performance, but we have risk. What's happening right now with the whole coronavirus is people are losing money. So what I do is offer the best of both worlds with safety and performance. We call it an index strategy. When the market's up, you make money. But when the market tanks like it's doing right now, you will never lose a penny of your money. That's a lock. That means your money is locked in. You will never lose a dime of your gains. So if that's something that you want to learn with your 401k IRA, feel free to reach out to me. We're here for you as a resource. Have a great day.